హలో, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. మై లైఫ్ ఈజ్ మ్యాథ్లైన్. ఈరోజు మనము డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ గురించి అన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ మరియు ఒక 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సొల్యూషన్స్ చేస్తాము. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఈజ్ 0 యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ x power n దేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు n ఇంటూ x power n minus 1. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin x cos x, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ cos x మైనస్ sin x. మీరు ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, కాస్కు సైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ tan x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ secant square x, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ cot x మైనస్ cosecant square x. హియర్ ఆల్సో సైన్స్ విల్ బి చేంజ్. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ e power x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు e power x అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ln x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/x. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ a power x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a power x ln a అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ root x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/2 root x. Everyone should be remember differentiation of a power x ln a, differentiation of root x 1/2 root x. Now we have entered into the pillars of a differentiation. It is most important. d by dx of u plus r v is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. If you get the algebraic sum or subtraction, you must be separate and write. It is no problem to us. Next, product rule. Differentiation of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ స్టూడెంట్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు, చూసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ వెరీ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ u by v దేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు v into du by dx మైనస్ u into dv by dx by v square. ఇది కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజన్కి కేర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్రస్. సో డినామినేటర్ ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ నోమినేటర్ మైనస్ నోమినేటర్ ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ బై డినామినేటర్ స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ జనరల్ ఫార్ములా, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ k ఇంటూ u ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు k ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ u. దట్స్ ఓన్లీ. నెక్స్ట్ లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఇన్ టు ద ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగోనోమెట్రిక్. The differentiation of sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, as well as cos inverse it get a minus result. Just know. Next, the differentiation of tan inverse of x there is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. The differentiation of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by mod of x square root of x squared minus 1. The differentiation of cosecant inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by mod x into square root of x squared minus 1. Next, logarithmic differentiation. d by dx of ln x is equal to 1 by x and d by dx of log x base a is equal to 1 by x ln a. When base is a, you remember it. And d by dx of f of x g of power g of x is equal to f of x power g of x same, and g of x by f of x f dash of x plus ln of f of x g dash of x. Very most important formula for x power x, like that formulas. Now we will learn the implicit function differentiation. Differentiation of y with respect to x. d by dx of y power n is equal to n into y power n minus 1 dy by dx. Here differentiable both sides respectively with respect to x, and call dy by dx terms on one side and the factor of dy by dx and solve it. It is a technique for solve this type of problems. Let's do the one problem on this. Find dy by dx for the curve x cube is equal plus y cube is equal to 3axy. d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube plus d by dx of 3axy. Differentiation on both sides. We will get like this. X cube differentiation 3x square, y cube differentiation 3y square dy by dx, and uv formula 3a into x dy by dx plus y into 1. Next step, x square 3x square x square plus y square dy by dx is equal to ax into dy by dx plus ay. Here 3 common and cancelled. That's why we will get like this way. Next, y square dy by dx minus ax. Ax dy by dx we get here. Ax dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square send that side. We will get minus x square. Now y square dy by dx and ax dy by dx take common dy by dx. We will get y square minus ax and there is equal to ay minus x squared. So dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square by y square minus ax. Y square minus ax transpose that side, we will get ay minus x square by y square minus ax. Next model, parametric equation solving. Look here. Here x is equal to f of t, y is equal to g of t. Both are in the terms of t. So you need to do differentiate with respect to both functions. You will get dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Once solve the problem, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. Find dy by dx. So dy by theta, d theta, there is equal to a cos theta, dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. There is dy by dx is equal to a cos theta by minus a sin theta. There is equal to minus cot theta. Next higher orders, derivation of higher order. Once look at here. Here derive the one function 2 times, 3 times. This is called as a higher order derivative. Here y double dash is equal to dy by dx of dy by dx. There is equal to d square y by dx square. Here y dash means first order derivative. Y double dash is means second order derivative. Or we can represent as a y1 first order and y2 second order. Here, let's solve the two problems on differentiation. It is a infinite series. Y is equal to square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus and so on infinity times. Find dy by dx. Y is equal to square root of sin x. Whole expression I will fill y. So plus y. So y square is equal to sin x plus y. Y square minus y is equal to sin x. So differentiation both side. 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to cos x. So dy by dx is equal to cos x by 2y minus. Next problem. X power y is equal to e power x minus y. Find dy by dx. So here power model. First to apply log. After applying log, you will get y ln x is equal to x minus y. So take y get the y terms one side. So y into 1 plus ln x is equal to x. So there is equal to y is equal to x by 1 plus ln x. So dy by dx is equal to ln x by 1 plus ln x whole square. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe, comment too.